alive. Wind in my hair, I'm ready to drive.